What's the meaning of codeine? Codeine. Codeine.
Codeine. Codeine. Codeine is a type of pain medication that belongs to the family of drugs known as opioids. It works by blocking pain signals to the brain, which in turn provides relief from pain. Codeine is commonly used for the treatment of mild to moderate pain, as well as cough suppression. However, it can also cause several side effects, including drowsiness, nausea, and constipation. Additionally, codeine has a high potential for abuse and addiction, which is why it is strictly regulated. Overall, codeine is a powerful pain medication that should only be used under the guidance of a healthcare professional.